So mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you walk in, yes. Then you raise your leg, palm, yes. At this point, stay there for a few seconds, okay? Then after that, you can now walk out. Then as you walk out from the scene now, use your camera to pick the above sky level. Look at what I did. Yes. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project, import your video, then locate where you want your own to start from. Click on the video, make a split, delete the first part, we don't need it again. So at this point, you locate volume, click on volume, then reduce it, finish. I don't want the recording sound, so I don't need it. So at this point, you look for duplicate. Look for duplicate, click on duplicate. So at this point, after clicking on duplicate, you come back. Then look at immediately you raise your leg. This place where you raise your leg up, click on the video and make a split. Then you keep going front again. Keep going front, keep going front. This place where the video started going up, where you recorded the sky, immediately you started going up, click it and make a split. Delete the center part, we don't need it again. So you go front from this place now, click on the video again and make a split. Delete the last part, delete the last part, we don't need it. Then come and click on this one, the sky part. Then look for freeze, look for freeze, click on freeze, thank you. Then come and click on this one, go and look for overlay. Click on overlay, click on overlay, click and hold it and take it to the beginning of the video. Take it to the beginning. So at this point, click it and go and look for remove BG. Look for remove BG, click on remove BG, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. Allow it to remove completely. Yes, so allow it to remove completely. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Watch the video now. Let us see. After removing BG, let's see how it look now. Good. This is good. This is good. So at this point, click on the overlay video. From the freeze background, click on the overlay video. Then you add keyframe. Then you adjust the video and use your hand to push yourself up, that character. Push it out of the scene completely. Then after that, you come back. Look at this. Watch the video. Let's just see how it look. Let's see how it look. Let's see. Good. This is good. This is good. Then after this, now you come back. Look at this place where you make a cut. Click it and add effect. Add this light effect here. This very one, so that immediately you're about going up, there will be a blink of light. Like that. Mark on that good and go back. Come to the second split here. Still click it. Add mask. That is good. At this point, play the video. Let us see what we have got. Let's play the video and see what we have got. Play it. Let's see what we have got. Just come down to play the video. At the cost of playing it, if there is any mistake, you come down and make some necessary adjustment. So click on that sign there. Then you come back. You click on the overlay video and make a split. Click there. Make a split there. Delete the last part. We don't need it again. So at this point, your video is ready. You can see the video is ready now. But at this point, you cannot export this video. Reason being that you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my video there, I've made a record how you can use Auto Pro features, Capcut Auto Pro features for free. Go and watch that video. Then you come back and export your video. But you are saying, I don't want to go through that process. I want you to put me through, no problems. Just at the description of this video, my number is there, okay? Go and DM me so that we know how we put you through. Or you can as well put it on the comment section so that we can see how we can be of help to you. Like, comment and share this video so that you too will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If If this is your first time of coming across our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials, okay? And if you have found value in this video, give us thumbs up. Until I come your way again, stay safe.